a special and grateful thanks goes to the YouTube, Facebook, Google, Instagram, and all the social media platform, because the thankful and grateful thanks and thanks to the social media platform, so that I can upload and display and all the products exclusive, the JDM rare parts. I can show my products and rare parts to display. I can display it to the social media, can see my buyers, my clients. I can show the world, the car guys and gals, the car enthusiasts worldwide. So a very grateful thanks goes to all the social media platform like Google, Facebook, YouTube, Instagram, and all other platform. Thank you, social media. A grateful thanks, and I'm really so grateful to the social media platforms. Thank you so much, and I'll be back with the next video. Thanks for today, guys. Thank you, YouTube. Thank you, Facebook. Thank you, social media platform. Bye. Sunny bhai, start. Wow. The key, Sunny bhai. Oh my God, I got the parts, man. This is called the ITB kit, right? কোন ইঞ্জিনে থাকে এটা?
গাড়ির সম্পর্কে আমার ধারণা নাই, ওই তো অসুখ হয়ে গেছে।
ওকে ঠিক আছে ব্রো।